Oh my god! Oh my god! I've been attacked!
Y'all gon' make me lose my mind. Up in here, up in here.
Here we are in the Amazon rainforest, tracking some rare animals. Let's go get them.
You alright? What are you doing, Reese?
Not this.
I've just come from Sainsbury's.
We're in the Amazon rainforest, James.
What are you on about? Take this. We're going to do it again. So, this first song is Loyalty, featuring Kendrick Lamar, off the album Rihanna. There he is. You hear it?
Said I'm deep and I'm fly.
Butterfly. Touch it.
What do you think of Kendrick Lamar? Look at the size of the butterfly. Kendrick Lamar. It's a big fan.
Oh my god! Oh my god! I've been attacked!
Clearly not a fan.
Right, no,
I want to know what you think about Rihanna.
Go.
What did you think of Rihanna featuring Kendrick Lamar on the album Beyonce? My favourite thing about Beyonce is how she can sound like anyone.
I know,
She sounds like everybody.
I think.
You alright, mate? Hang on. What was that? What should we listen to next?
James?
Shh. Biffy Clyro. Did you hear that?
No.
You're ruining it, Reese. They're gonna work out we're in tropical world. Here we are with Wolves of Winter by Biffy Clyro.
James.
Jesus Christ.
Oh my god. Oh, there's a one behind it.
This is terrifying.
Then you probably thought we could. It's huge.
No, that's gotta go. And that's the end of the song.
So, James, what did you think about?
Go on, ask me.
What did you think of the song?
Biffy Clyro. What a guy. James, there's a bird behind you.
Oh my god.
Hello?
Oh my god.
What song should we do next? He said The Killers. So, Reese, I think we should listen to the bird.
Do you know what I think we should do, James? We should Run Away by The Killers.
Just like the Amazon, we've gone back in time. This song came out 5 years ago. And listen, The Killers should pay us, along with Beyonce.
Oh, now we're a bird, that.
Oh look, Reese, the famous desert of the Amazon rainforest. Shall we go?
Here in the Amazon rainforest, we have antibacterial hand gel. Let's go.
Here we are in the briars of the Amazon rainforest. It's very dark.
As you can hear in the background, there are tribesmen that they could be cannibals. We best keep running away.
That were good, though. So, Reese, what did you think of The Killers? Run Away.
I thought it was very good.
I really think this song's gonna start a new era. I can already see it. It's just gonna be great. We're gonna get our own house. We're gonna have our own children, and eventually we're gonna die together.
Or I might just run away. Anyway, next time.
Loyalty, loyalty,